Okay, Excellencies, honored guests, experts, ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to welcome you to today's webinar of the Belt and Road Institute in Sweden. My name is Stephen Brawer, and I'm the chairman of the Belt and Road Institute in Sweden, and I'm going to moderate today's event. Our institute has been playing a key role in promoting the BRI, the Belt and Road Initiative, as the foundation which global economic development, so global economic development can go forward. As many people and participants may already know, this initiative was launched by China's President Xi Jinping in 2013. And since that time, over 150 countries have joined voluntarily in active support and cooperation. And it is an inclusive initiative that is open to all countries. Its continuing success has been based on actual concrete results, especially in the area of infrastructure development and modernization. The global majority has, in a certain sense, spoken out clearly and positively on this issue, yet the global minority, which shouts the loudest about, quote, democracy, only seems to support democracy according to its own rules. However, this type of arbitrary arrogance cannot last much longer. The world is changing extremely rapidly. The great challenge lies in the ability to adjust to and even to embrace an emerging new world order based on cooperation and mutual respect for sovereignty. This is the meaning of a community for a shared future for mankind. Today, we will address some very crucial ideas about economy which are generally little understood or even not understood at all. This is a pioneering effort to elevate and highlight certain concepts. China's high-quality development and what the BRICS has called Belt and Road economics are topics which are characterized by the idea of physical economy. So I'm very honored to welcome our distinguished speakers, all of whom will help to elaborate and develop these concepts for all the participants.